and make Arizona stronger by showing that inclusion benefits everyone. I'm Amy Bockerstette. I am a co-founder of the I Got This Foundation, and I attended Paradise Valley Community College.
PVCC was very instructive in helping shape Amy and what she would become. During Amy's journey early in golf, many of the times that she played, she was the first to do what she did.
Amy, already the first person with Down syndrome to earn a college athletics scholarship, Monday in Florida, will become the first person with Down syndrome to compete for a college national title, playing for Paradise Valley Community College at the NJCAA Championships.
And so it became really a vision for us to help others accomplish what Amy's accomplished. So the I Got This Foundation was formed on Amy's 21st birthday in October of 2019 after her par with Gary Woodland earlier that year. She's now the ambassador for the I Got This Foundation. She does a lot of public speaking, she does interviews, she talks to media, meets people along the way, and PVCC was very much a part of shaping that journey for her.
I hope that other people with Down syndrome and other disabilities will want to learn to play golf and know that they can go to college too.